Hi, my name is Micah Knapp. I am the Senior Director at Qualcomm for gaming platforms. What I'm holding today is the G3x developer kit that Qualcomm and Razer collaborated on to create a new gaming device. One of the main things that we did as a company, as you know, clearly we're a chipset company, is that we developed a platform specifically for gaming. And that is our new Snapdragon G platform. And the first chip is the Snapdragon G3x Gen 1. And this device is the first device that's actually utilizing that G3x platform. And what we wanted to do is we wanted to create a device that it's clearly not a phone, right? It is a gaming device. We wanted to innovate specifically around gaming. You know, we wanted to go after the new use cases in gaming and the pain points that people see in mobile gaming. Mobile gaming is huge. There's more than 2 billion people who mobile game. And the market is enormous. It's over $90 billion in 2021. So what we want to do is we want to create a platform and then create devices around that platform that really innovate specifically to gaming. So what does that mean? It means things like haptics. You know, haptics are becoming really interesting in the gaming space. So we were able to put haptic motors in the handles of the device, so you can actually feel the action in the game. We also put, loudspeakers. We put Snapdragon sound. The device is actually air-cooled, and therefore it allows you to run at very high performance and sustain that performance for a really long time. So if you have a very demanding mobile game and you want to play it for a long period of time, this device allows you to do that. We also created the device with 5G millimeter wave because we know people want to game everywhere.